Hello everyone, welcome to Hima Tutorials. In today's video, I am going to provide preparation plan for Maths 2B. Okay? If you prepare the following chapters, then you can easily pass in this examination. So let's start the class. First chapter is circles. From this chapter, we will get 2 marks, 1 4 marks and 2 7 marks. That means you can score total 22 marks from this chapter. Okay? Coming to the next one, system of circles. From this chapter, we will get 1 2 marks and 1 4 marks. That means total 6 marks you can score from this chapter. Okay, and the next one is parabola. From parabola, we will get 1 2 marks and 1 7 marks. That means you can score total 9 marks from this chapter. Okay, next coming to the next one, ellipse. From ellipse, we will get 2 4 marks. That means you can score total 8 marks from this chapter. Okay, coming to the next one, hyperbola. From this chapter we will get 1 2 marks and 1 4 marks. That means you can score total 6 marks from this chapter. Okay, so if you prepare these following 5 chapters, then you can easily score 51 marks and you can easily pass in this examination. Okay, students who want to score 75 marks in this subject, so they have to prepare 2 more chapters extra apart from these 5 chapters. Okay, so from indefinite integration, definite integration and differential equations, if you prepare 2 chapters, then you can easily score 75 marks in this subject. Okay, that's for the class. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Hima Tutorials. Thank you.